I'm going to talk about upcoming pattern. So there's gonna be lots of like environment, no, but like like temperature controlled environment in the future. So in the future it's gonna be more. In the future it's gonna be more temperature controlled environment like humidity and things in the future because of technology and things. So this going to use the precipitation pattern. Zoom into Toronto. 8 a.m. gets nothing. Let's get this. 8 p.m. in more evening. Most of the day there's no rain, or some light rain in Stouffville, Scarborough Interior. You could get some borderline rain, not borderline, but it's like light rain. And Orangeville, Ontario could get some. Orangeville, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. 8 p.m. Thursday, June 5th. It's gonna get borderline rain in like Niagara Falls. Or like most Toronto is gonna be cloudy or dark clouds. So like it's gonna be dark clouds moving through or sunshine moving through. Because over it's just sometimes pushes serious clouds and nimbus storage clouds to the north. And it makes the area darker and looks like rain, but it's not gonna rain. It just is southern part. But if you look at the clouds in the sky, it just gets lighter, darker. If you look at the sky for a long time, the sky gets changing. 8 a.m. in the morning, so leaving heavy rain, light heavy rain in Mississauga down to Toronto to get some light rain. 8 a.m. in the morning, Saturday 8 a.m. nothing doesn't count. So light rain showers possible in Orangeville, Ontario. Mississauga and Brampton could get some light rain showers. Belleville could get some light rain showers, and Peterborough could get some moving light rain showers. Sunday gets nothing. This 7 day for now. Takes too long to get. 8 p.m. It's gonna be like light rain showers in Orangeville, Ontario. Could get some light rain and light to moderate rain in Hunter, Ontario. No, it's not. Barrie, Ontario. Could get some light to heavy rain, possible of heavy rain or thunderstorms. Light to heavy rain in Mississauga. Brampton could get some thunderstorms, heavy thunderstorms. Niagara Falls could get some heavy thunderstorms, light to heavy thunderstorms. Light rain to heavy thunderstorms. Buffalo, no, Buffalo. So in Honeymoon, Ontario could get some light to heavy thunderstorms. Light rain to heavy thunderstorms. Light rain to heavy thunderstorms. And some light to heavy thunderstorms around Mississauga and Brampton and London, Ontario. You could get some light to moderate rain, light to heavy rain in Scarborough and this weather model. So Barrie, Ontario, you could get some light to heavy rain, light to heavy thunderstorms. Again, it's light, darkest. When it's like this dark in the weather model, I call it like heavy thunderstorms or heavy weather, close to heavy weather rainfall. In Niagara Falls, Ontario, you get some light to moderate rain, so the total precipitation pattern is over 120 hours, which is 5 days. It's gonna be like 3 millimeters all around Toronto. Most it in Niagara Falls, around Niagara Falls, including St. Catharines is also on the list. So Niagara Falls, around Niagara Falls is like 80 to 50 millimeters of rain, with some 35 millimeters of rain below Niagara Falls city. Well, that's 34 actually. 34 in near Lake Erie millimeters of rain, including the cities near Lake Erie. So temperature pattern. Temperature anomaly. 8 a.m. in the morning. No, just kidding. 8 a.m. So 2 p.m. 8 a.m. above average temperatures, 8 degrees above average. And Toronto gets 6 degrees above average. And Orangeville could get some 5 degrees above average. The normal is like colder than, like Toronto, for example, is like 23 degrees or 24 degrees because the urban heat island. So when it's the 2 p.m., it's gonna be like 10 degrees above average in Mississauga, Ontario. Down to Toronto could be 5 degrees above average. Scarborough could be 9 degrees above average. Orangeville could get same temperatures, like rounded up in 7 degrees, average 7 degrees. So 8 a.m. Thursday is gonna be like 4 or 5 degrees above average around Toronto, with 4 degrees in downtown Toronto. And Scarborough and Stouffville gets 2.5 or 3 degrees above average. 2 p.m. is like above average, above like 5 degrees above average, and 4.4 degrees above average in Stouffville. 8 p. No, it's 8 a.m. in the morning is gonna be like 2 to 3 degrees above average around Toronto. Fire Friday, so it's 2 p.m. 5 degrees. 6 3 degrees to 6 degrees above average around Toronto, including Stouffville in this weather model. Down to Toronto could get some 3 degrees above average, and 2.5 degrees above average in Mississauga, 2.6 or 3 degrees above average in Scarborough and Stouffville. 2 p.m. is going to be 6 degrees above average in Scarborough. Mississauga could get 5 degrees above average. And down to Toronto is 3 degrees above average. Lake breeze also brings some cooler conditions in downtown Toronto, like in previous times. 8 a.m. it's gonna be 2 to 3 or 2 to 3 degrees above average around Toronto, including Stouffville. Barrie, Ontario. 2 p.m. it's gonna be like 2 to 5 degrees above average. 8 a.m. in the morning is like 2 to 3 degrees above average temperatures. And near average, or like 1 degree above average, below average, is down to Toronto because of lake breeze. And 2.5 degrees above average is Mississauga. Half a degree above average in Stouffville, and mostly in Stouffville, Ontario, including Scarborough. Or Markham, actually. Markham, Ontario is better than. So why does Buffalo, New York, like get so much snow? Actually, I'm gonna use why does Orange where is Orange getting so much snow because of this. So why does like Orange get where is the snow coming from? So it's like from the Lake Huron or Lake Superior. No, it's mostly Lake Huron Green Lakes. It's gonna move south and directly to Orangeville. Orangeville. When the more warmer air gets trapped from the ridge negative PNA, it is the water is just trapped so much. It gets absorbed. The heat gets absorbed by the lakes, and then it slowly escapes. And the lakes remain warmer than the land, so land is drops so fast, drops like normal continental temperatures. It's gonna be continental temperatures gonna drop. So when this combines, when the wind blows, so this Earth's rotation, it's gonna mostly the wind. So it's gonna like when the wind blows from north to south, or this jet stream moving north to south or after glass whatever, it's gonna be like when the too like cold air smashes into the warm moist air, it's gonna create lake effect snow. That's but if you can live in near Lake Erie, the lakes is a warm. The lakes get super warm, or compared to normal land temperatures, is gonna create massive snowstorm ever, like in Buffalo, for example, in Santa Barbara and Blue Mountains, Ontario, because of the warmer lakes and colder temperatures combined. So if Mars gets terraformed, it's gonna be more habitable, good for life in the near future. Like, like depends on like best for yeah. So yeah, if you want to like see positive PNA, you need the whole continent to show up. Like North America, you need the whole map to show positive PNA, negative PNA. So not the southern Ontario. It's more the cold air goes everywhere in North America, like East Coast, everywhere the East Coast, not Arctic. When I mean like perfect summers, it's like hot summers, and yeah, that's why the perfect summers. I meant to say like not like habitable temperatures like Earth. I'm just talking about hot summer. I meant to say hot sun instead of perfect actual like 25 degrees. But Mars is gonna be terraformed and perfect like 25 degrees temperatures like in Mars. That's why it says habitable. That's why it's like 25 degrees. Somewhere in Mars has to be like somewhere like Toronto, near Toronto latitude or Hawaii latitude, if it exists on Mars. Let's pretend it's like that. They call it a perfect summer because of like hot summer, even it's not the actual perfect. Right? So thunderstorm energy could. So if it